Property Changer is one of the most valuable palettes we've got in AutoCAD, and with it we can change any value or correct any value on any object we want in AutoCAD, and we're going to look at that in this lesson. Now my property changer is docked my palette right here, and if you're not, you can always press Ctrl and 1 to bring it up on your screen. Now I'm going to use this quite a lot here. I'm going to dock it on my palette for now, and let's see an example here. Now I've got this example that it's supposed to be identical to the other one, but it has got some value errors in it. First of all, I'm going to select one of these circles. I'm going to show you that property changer is going to change based on what you've selected in AutoCAD. Well, property changer recognizes that we've selected a circle, and look at all these options and properties that are specific to a circle, and there are groups here. We can expand these groups or collapse these groups based on our needs, and I'm going to press escape and select a line. Let's see what a line has got. The line has got quite less options than a circle, which are specific to a line. I'm going to collapse this. I'm going to press escape. Now we want to correct these value errors in these circles. It should be identical to this example I've got here. I want to change the radius of the circle here, which is supposed to be 0.25. I'm going to go to the geometry group and here to the radius, and I'm going to type 0.25 and enter. We changed that. Now I'm going to press escape. Now let's take a look if we could change all these three circles and correct the value of all these three circles together. I'm going to press. Now before that, notice that property changer notices that we've selected three circles, three of them, circle, three of them, and look at the values here. All these values have changed to varies because every circle we've selected, the value of them varies from each other. I'm going to I'm going to click on this property, and I'm going to change that to 0.25 and enter. And if you notice any of these properties are grayed out, you should know that you can't change that property. I'm going to press escape. I'm going to select this ellipse here, and this ellipse should be identical to the other ellipse. And what property we got an ellipse. Now we've got here our also properties. The one we need is the major radius. Now the major radius, as we see, the major axis is 4 here, so the major radius is going to be 2. I'm going to type here 2 and enter. Now the minor radius, the minor axis is 3.25, and the minor radius, well, I don't like to figure that out in my head. I'm going to use this calculator right here that AutoCAD has this for us right there. I'm going to click on it, going to bring up the calculator. Now sometimes the calculator comes in a collapsed view. You can click on this more button and you get the more options, and I'm going to click the here 3.25 divided by 2 is equal to 1.625. I'm going to click apply, and it applies it to my geometry, and everything is very nicely done, and all the value errors are solved. Now I'm going to minimize this again to shape of an icon here on my screen. The property changer is one of the most valuable palette and useful palette that we've got, and we have to know how to use that, and we have to know that we can figure out any problem or any value error there, and we can solve it there.